Here I will show you how to book time off through salonMonster. First, you want to select bookings on the left-hand side. You will then go to the date and time that you would like to book off. So I am going to choose Wednesday and I'll select the time in which I want off. Instead of choosing a client, you will want to select the time off button on the bottom left of the page. A new page will open where you are prompted to select the duration of time you will need off. You'll choose your time and hit OK. Now you can choose whether this is reoccurring or not. If it is reoccurring, you can choose whether it's every day, week, or month, and for how long you want to have it off. Once you've made your choices, you'll hit OK, and you can even leave yourself a note if you need that reminder of why you have the time off. Or feel free to leave it blank. Hit book at the bottom of the page, and it will show up in your calendar.